you want to take your score of PT from 70s to 90s? Are you also struggling to get your PT scores? Do you want to know the real tried and tested techniques for PT? Then this video is for you. Make sure you watch the video till the very end because one of our students will tell you how exactly she followed all the tips and techniques and her score went from 70s to 90s. If you like the video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. If you're struggling with any of your PTE section, please make sure that you comment in the comment section below and we will be there to help you out. Guys, if you are struggling in listening and writing section, then this video is for you. So I have got Tanya here with me today who has smashed her PTE exam with 8 each score, perfect 90 in listening section and 86 in writing. Congratulations, Tanya.
Thank you so much.
So Tanya, before joining the classes, you were struggling in listening and writing section specifically.
Yeah.
And now you have achieved 90 in listening section.
Yeah.
So what do you think, what areas helped you to improve on your listening and the writing section? And I may say specifically the writing section, where you were struggling and you were getting around 72, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So over to you, Tanya.
So I would say keywords while writing the essays. So, you get the file and we have all the keywords there. So it helps you a lot with the keywords. So I think that played an important factor in getting 86 and writing now. In terms of listening, I would say summarize spoken text. The feedback that you get from the tutors here, it's really helpful. You get to know where you have to use the articles and what keywords to pick. So it really helps to understand, what to write exactly to get good marks.
Yes, a lot of students, they feel that listening section, it's very easy to score because you need to understand the content and you just have to place the things.
Yeah.
Do you think listening section have more areas where you need to focus on?
I think right from dictation and SSC only, and also fill in the blanks are three major areas where you can achieve good marks. It's not as tough, but it's more about the spellings. You have to focus on your spellings. So in the portal, you have a dedicated spelling page where, if there's a spelling mistake, it comes there, you can just go and, have a look on the last day of your exam. So I think that list also helped me to get good marks.
Yes, very well said. The spellings, guys, it impacts your writing section a lot, and which we ignore most of the time. That while typing or while proofreading. So how do you think proofreading helps?
So you get 20 marks while writing essays. So your essay is pretty much done in 15 minutes. Rest 5 minutes, I didn't waste it. I literally used all my time to proofread the essay. Making sure that the spellings were correct and using good keywords as well. So yeah, proofreading is really important, I feel. Yeah.
Okay. To sum up, Tanya, what would you like to suggest to the students who are preparing out for their AAT and specifically struggling in the listening and writing section?
I would say just focus on the spelling mistakes, use good keywords, and also just be confident.
Yes, guys, so make sure you follow all the templates but in a correct format and use the proper keywords, and also avoid grammar mistakes and do proofreading before you submit. So all the best, guys, who are preparing for AAT, and we are here to help you out. Reach out to us if you have any of your questions or your queries and we'll help you out. Thank you.